Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about class Chondrichthyes. In this video, we are going to discuss about class Osteichthyes. Osteichthyes are also known as bony fishes, or it is also known as teleostomi. Now, they are both marine as well as freshwater fishes. They are marine as well as freshwater fishes. The endoskeleton is made up of bones, bony endoskeleton. The exoskeleton is made up of cycloid or ctenoid scales. Cycloid or ctenoid scales. Now, what is the difference between cycloid scales and placoid scales? Placoid scales, they are also called as denticles because they have a layer of dentine. In cycloid scales, the dentine layer is absent, and cycloid scales grow in size as the size of fish grows, whereas the placoid scales, they do not grow in size. Instead, new scales are added as the fish grows. So this is the difference between cycloid and placoid scales. Now gills, there are 2 to 5 pairs of gills. Gills are covered by a covering known as operculum. So operculum is present. Now bony fishes have a air bladder which helps in balancing and provides buoyancy. So they can keep still at one place and they will not sink, unlike cartilaginous fishes. Cloaca is absent. Cloaca refers to the common opening for genital organs as well as for the digestive tract. Instead, anus is present. Cloaca is absent. Claspers are absent in males. Ampulla of Lorenzini is also absent. We have already discussed that it is a electroreceptor. Reproduction, sexes are separate. Fertilization is mostly external. They are oviparous, and development is direct. That is, there is no larval stage. Talking about the heart is two-chambered, which is also known as venous heart. Now coming on to examples, in marine fishes we have two examples: Exocetus, which is also known as flying fish, and Hippocampus, also known as seahorse. In Hippocampus there is a special ability that the males carry babies instead of females, that is, males become pregnant. Labio is an example of freshwater fishes. Clarias, also called as magur, is a freshwater fish, and Catla is also a freshwater fish. Now in aquarium fishes we have betta, which is also known as fighting fish. In pterophyllum is known as angelfish. These are the examples of class Chondrichthyes. Labio is also known as rohu. Labio, magur and catla are commonly consumed fishes. Now, if we compare class Chondrichthyes and class Osteichthyes, we will see that in class Chondrichthyes, endoskeleton is bony. They have placoid scales on the outside, and they do not have an operculum. Air bladder is absent. Cloaca is present. Claspers are present. In reproduction, fertilization is internal, and they are viviparous. In case of Osteichthyes, the endoskeleton is made up of bones. They have cycloid scales. Operculum is present. Air bladder is present. and cloaca is absent. Ampulla florenzani is absent, which is seen in submembers of class Chondrichthyes. Claspers are absent in males, which are seen in cases of Chondrichthyes. Reproduction is by external fertilization. In case of Chondrichthyes, it is internal fertilization, and Osteichthyes are oviparous, whereas Chondrichthyes are mostly viviparous. A special Osteichthyes known as Latimeria or coelacanth, it is a living fossil. Living fossil, we have discussed already that these are organisms which have not shown a significant change in body design during evolution, and also it is the oldest known it is the oldest known vertebrate till date. Till date, it is the oldest known vertebrate. With this, we finish off with class Osteichthyes. See you in the next video.